Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be detailing the Jeep's engine bay, the plastics with Ammo Mud tire gel. Now you can use this to shine up your tires. I don't use this. I'd have to use a ton of this just to get those tires shined up, so you can use just like a spray. But all the plastics in the engine bay we can kind of make look nice and brand new with this stuff. So alrighty, so as you can see, it's pretty clean, but we just got a layer of dust and everything. So I'm just going to use some frothy, and kind of clean this up real nice. Okay, so we're just loosening up the dust. Put some on there. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna rub it in here. It works really well on these black hoses. I noticed I did the Cobra the other day. That's why I figured I would give it a shot, and it does a really nice job on getting, like, most of these plastics aren't faded, but if you have any faded plastics, it really brings back a nice shine to it. As you can see, it's a really nice job of making it look real nice. So let's, okay, I'll show you guys rubbing it on. So clean the entire engine bay now. It looks much better. Stuff gives it a really nice shine without leaving like a residue on it, which is really nice. Just nice and smooth. Yeah, everything looks, all the black plastic looks great. Did its job. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.